Hello students, this is the first video of chapter Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production, and topic covered in this video are animal husbandry, dairy farm management, definition of breed, type of breed, and inbreeding in detail. So let's start. Now let us understand the term animal husbandry. Practice of raising livestock such as buffaloes, cows, horses, cattle, pigs, bees, and silkworm is known as animal husbandry. So if we raise livestock such as buffalo, cow, pig, cattle, bees, that practice is known as animal husbandry. Now, dairy farm management. What is dairy farm management? If we rear animals for milk, that is, and its product, that is known as dairy farm management. Management of animals for milk and its product is known as dairy farm management. Now let us look at the factors on which milk yield depend. Milk yield depend on quality of breed and type of feed. So milk yield depend upon the quality of breed, means the quality of cattle that we have, and the type of food, that is feed, we give to the cattle. Now let us understand what are the 6 essentials for good and effective dairy farm management. 6 essentials for good and effective dairy farm management. Or a question can be asked, what are the steps undertaken to improve quality and quantity of milk? What are the steps you will undertake to improve the quality and quantity of milk? Number 1, if we want to improve quality and quantity of milk, we should keep the animals in a well ventilated sheds. Second, animals should be well looked after. Animals should be well looked after. Proper care should be given to these animals. Then there should be sufficient water for the animals. So for the cattle, we should have sufficient water. Feeding should be carried out in a scientific manner. We should provide good feed to the cattle. Cleanliness and hygiene of both cattle and its handler are of great importance. Means hygiene of cattle as well as handler should be maintained. And last thing is that we should have regular medical checkups of the cattle by a doctor. Now let us understand what do you mean by term breed. First of all, breed are a group of animals. So breed are a group of animals and they belong to same species. So group of animals of same species which are related by descent, means they have common ancestors and are similar in most of their characters. So group of animals of same species which are related by descent, means they have common ancestors and are similar in most of their characters, is called breed. Now what is objective of breeding? There are 2 types of objectives of breeding. One, to improve the quality of yield, means improving the quality of product. For example, improving the quality of milk, and second, improving the quantity of produce. So improving both quality and quantity of produce, or we can say yield, is the objective of breeding. There are 2 types of breeding: inbreeding and outbreeding. If we cross 2 animals of same breed, it is called inbreeding. Whereas if we cross 2 animals of different breed, it is known as outbreeding. First of all, let us discuss inbreeding. So inbreeding is crossing or mating of closely related individuals of the same breed. So here we are crossing the animals of the same breed which have common ancestors for 4 to 6 generations. So that is the meaning of inbreeding. So inbreeding means mating or crossing between animals of the same breed. Now let us look at steps in inbreeding or how inbreeding is done. First of all, we select superior male and female. Superior male is that bull which give rise to superior progeny, and superior female is that cow which give more milk. Now, when we have crossed superior male and female, the progeny obtained from the above cross are evaluated and identified for superior male and female. So, the progeny which would be obtained, again from them we would identify which is superior male and female. And then these superior female and male are further crossed. So, these are the steps of inbreeding. Now let us look at advantages of inbreeding. Inbreeding increases homozygosity and helps to evolve pure line. So first advantage is that homozygosity will increase in inbreeding and pure lines would be evolved. Second advantage is that inbreeding helps in accumulation of superior genes. So superior genes would accumulate as in inbreeding, and the less desirable genes would be eliminated. So increasing homozygosity, evolving pure lines, accumulation of superior genes and elimination of less desirable genes is the advantage of inbreeding. Now let us look at disadvantage of inbreeding. Now if the inbreeding is continued again and again, it leads to inbreeding depression. What it leads to? It leads to inbreeding depression. In this inbreeding depression, there is decrease in productivity and decrease in fertility of cattle. So inbreeding, if we continue inbreeding, it will lead to inbreeding depression in which productivity and fertility of cattle would decrease. If you have gained something from this video, please subscribe to my channel Ramji Chopra, like and comment.